Hi everyone, I'm Umama. Markopolo AI is a cross-channel advertising SaaS capable of automating PPC campaigns in Facebook, Google, and Instagram. We have integrated GPT-3-based ad creation within it as an add-on so that users can experience an end-to-end digital advertising experience. Now let's hop in. Once you sign up and log in, you will be taken to the campaigns page. Here, you'll see the Create a Campaign button as well as the previously created campaigns. Let us now create a campaign. A campaign is a series of ads for a specific duration on one or multiple platforms. You'll be asked to select an objective for the campaign. Let us select only one objective for now, which is to generate more sales for your business. Next, you can select the platforms where you want to advertise on. I will select Facebook now, where I will select my account and then I'll be shown the pages that my account owns. After you have connected your respective page where you want to advertise on, you will have to connect an ad account to have a working payment method. If your account does not have an activated ad account, you will have to go to Facebook's official website to manage that. Finally, after adding my ad account, I will add my Google account, after which I will add the ad account of my Google account. After that, you will be taken to the duration of your campaign page. You can see that it takes at least 5 days for a campaign to perform well, so we'll select 27th June to 1st July. We can now select the locations where we want to advertise. You can either select one or multiple locations to advertise on. I will select these two locations to run my ads on. Now you can select it from suggested occasions to fine-tune your campaigns. This is, however, an optional step. Here you can see that International Asteroid Day is shown. You can choose to select that or choose not to. Now, with the inputs gathered, our AI will generate a content calendar. The software shows me I should go for 2 static Facebook image ads and 1 dynamic Facebook video ad. Although we do not recommend it, you can add a new ad by clicking on a calendar cell or remove an existing one by clicking on them and pressing delete. You can also move the ads by dragging and dropping and can also change the length of the boosting periods. Once you confirm the content plan, you'll be shown the optimum budget generated by the software for the entire campaign. We recommend you stick with the provided budget. Next, you'll be prompted with 3 pathways to create your ad. You can generate creatives and captions through AI, or you can request creatives from a designer, in which case the request will be sent to our partner designers. Here you can see a summary of the amounts of credits required when you choose the Generate with AI option. And lastly, you can upload your creatives and copies yourself, for which you won't be charged any extra credits. Now let's check out the Generate with AI feature. We have to input a product or service name in here to generate the copies, static visuals, and/or dynamic video content. It's only for the first time inputting that you have to write the name and descriptions. After that one time, you will be able to find the product name in the drop-down bar. You can write a small descriptions with a promotional offer. Here in this description, we added a promo code Markopolo123. You can add a product image if you want to. After that, a few captions will be generated by Markopolo. You can edit the captions too and then go with the option that you like. If you like one of the copies, you can edit it to your liking and then select it and then press next. Now you can check out the copy variants for the visuals, which are basically the writings that go on the visuals. The templates will be improved and they will keep getting better and better. We can see that quite a few visuals have been made using the product name and description provided by us to the app. After we have selected the visual we like, we can now try the software out with a car wash brand. we have selected the car wash prompt, now you can see the suggested caption variants where you can obviously select the one that you like. Now that we have selected the caption variant we like, we will have to select the copy variant. After selecting a copy variant we like, the AI will take a little bit of time to generate the visuals. As the AI gets more and more trained by us, the AI will keep improving and better visuals will start getting generated by the app. After selecting a visual that you like, we will now see how to make a dynamic ad in this AI. Just as previously, the AI will find captions and copy variants for you. Now that we've selected the car wash product category, we will have to select a caption for the dynamic video. After we have selected a caption we like, we will have to select 3 copy variants. These 3 copy variants will go on the video as a slideshow. After selecting the 3 variants we like and editing them per our liking, we will have to wait for the AI to generate the slideshow dynamic video. Now that the dynamic video has been generated, you can see that it has been made with the 3 copy variants you chose. Now, for the Google search ad, you will have to add your product name, description, and finally a website to advertise. After you have made your inputs, you will have to select 3 headers for the Google ad. Google Ads have a restriction of only 30 characters. Now I'm selecting these 3 which look pretty good. Finally, you will have to select 3 description variants which must have a limit of 90 characters. In case the example description variants exceed that limit, you can of course edit them to fit the Google Ads requirements. Now let's try making a Google banner for Achari chicken with the following description. Input your website link as well as a product image, which is however optional. Select your header variants that satisfy the character limit of 30 characters. In case it does not satisfy the character limit, you can edit it so that it does. Here I am having to edit them so that they fit the character limit of 30. After that, I am selecting 3 of them so that I can go ahead with my Google banner. Next up, you have to choose a copy variant which will go directly on the image of the Google banner. Now, the Google banner is being generated by the AI. Now, we have to understand that there are 2 acceptable aspect ratio variants for Google banners, one being a simple square shape while the other is rectangular. After we are done selecting a Google banner of our liking, we will have created all the ads in the campaign. If you click on an ad in the calendar, you can see a preview of the ad. The ads are ready to get approved so that they can be posted on the page through the software. You can edit the targeting as well in the next version of Markopolo. Before the ad goes live in its scheduled time, you must approve it. Don't worry, it is possible to pause the ad after approving it with a button here called pause. You can also resume the ad after pausing it. Now, let's see how the upload your own content feature works. Write your caption. After that, you can make your own customized content in Canva. After publishing that, you can post it, or you could upload your own content from this box called drag or click to browse. If you go to the dashboard and select a campaign, you will be able to check out the campaign's unique insights. On the ad strategy page, you can see all the strategies we have used to implement your campaign. In the future versions of our app, we will make this part more interactive. To use the Order a Designer mode, you will have to upgrade the subscription package. If you update your business information part, it will refine your campaign further. You can add your logo as well as your brand's primary, secondary color and font family. You can redeem your promo code from above. If you get stuck anywhere, you can of course nudge us on Messenger and we will promptly respond. Thank you very much. We are Markopolo and we truly hope you try out our product and like it. Take care.